Hello student, welcome to DSS online class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir, and today we will read the lesson The Monkey and the Crocodile. Student, I know you will learn the word meaning of this lesson, and from here we start the lesson. A monkey lived in a fruit tree on a bank of a river. It means a monkey who lived on a fruit tree, and that was on a bank of a river. एक बंदर एक नदी के किनारे एक फल वाले पेड़ पर रहता था. He made friends with the crocodile, and that monkey made a friend that was a crocodile, gave the delicious fruit and ate and sent some for his wife. Monkey not only gave the crocodile some fruits, but he gave some fruits to crocodile's wife. मंकी जो था बंदर, वह क्रोकोडाइल को केवल फल खिलाता ही नहीं था, उसकी पत्नी के लिए भी कुछ फल देता था. They met regularly and talked, the monkey on the tree and the crocodile on the ground. And both the monkey and crocodile met regularly and they talked about the tree and the crocodile on the ground. वे जो थे दोनों फ्रेंड वह बात करते थे ट्री के बारे में, और क्रोकोडाइल भी जो है ग्राउंड से ही उससे मंकी से बात करता था. वंस ऑन द बैंक ऑफ अ रिवर अ मंकी मेड ए होम फॉर हिमसेल्फ इन अ ट्री लेडन विथ फ्रूट्स. मीन्स देयर was a monkey who lived near a river and on a fruit tree that was full of fruits. He lived in it happily, eating to his heart's content fruit of his choice. It means monkey lived with a happy manner and he ate lot of fruits of his own choice. इन हिंदी, मंकी जो था बंदर नदी के किनारे एक पेड़ पर रहता था. वह पेड़ फलों से भरा हुआ था, लदा हुआ था. वह वहाँ रहता था और जी भर के अपने चॉइस, अपने पसंद के फल खाता था. द मंकी वॉज हैप्पी बट लोनली एंड वॉन्टेड अ कंपेनियन टू टॉक टू एंड शेयर द फ्रूट विद. And monkey lived happily on that tree, but he wanted a companion that talked to him and shared the fruit also. But there was no one around, not even another monkey, till one day a crocodile appeared on the riverside. But there was no one all around him, and there was not any monkey that lived near him. One day a crocodile appeared on the river bank. "Hello there," said the monkey. Monkey said, a crocodile, "Hello, do you live in this river?" Monkey asked a question to the crocodile that, "Do you live in this river? Would you like to eat some fruits?" And he also asked the crocodile to like to eat some fruit. बंदर जो है उस क्रोकोडाइल से पूछता है कि क्या तुम नदी के किनारे नदी में रहते हो और क्या तुम कुछ फल खाना पसंद करोगे? "Good morning," replied the crocodile politely. Then crocodile replied, "Good morning," with a polite manner. "I did some here in the search of food for myself and my wife." Then crocodile said to monkey that he come here in the search of food for him and his wife also. Nice of you to offer me fruit. And crocodile also said to monkey that if you give me some fruits, it was very nice. क्रोकोडाइल बंदर से बोला कि अगर तुम मुझे कुछ फ्रूट्स दोगे तो यह मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छी बात होगी. नाउ नेक्स्ट पैरा. द मंकी प्लग्ड सम फ्रॉम द नियरेस्ट ब्रांच एंड थ्रू them down, and at the same time monkey took out some fruits from his nearest branches and gave to the crocodile. The crocodile found them delicious. When crocodile eat that fruit, he found that the fruit was very delicious, very tasty. Thanks, he said. Then crocodile thanks to monkey, and then may I have some on my next visit. And crocodile also said that may I have some on my next visit. It means मैं जो है फिर से अगली बार आऊँगा. Certainly, as many as you like, and some for your wife too, said the monkey. Then monkey said, certainly, surely you will come here, and I gave you some fruits to your wife also. Do come again, I am rather lonely here. And monkey also said to crocodile that come again because I am here a very lonely. बंदर जो है उस क्रोकोडाइल से बोला कि ज़रूर आना क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे अकेले रहता हूँ. द क्रोकोडाइल विजिटेड द मंकी रेगुलरली एंड एट द फ्रूट विच हिज होस्ट थ्रू डाउन. एंड क्रोकोडाइल विजिटेड टू मंकी रेगुलरली in a regular manner, and some of fruits monkey gave them. He took some home for his wife also, and the fruits that monkey gave to crocodile, the crocodile also takes some fruits to his wife, for his wife. The monkey and the crocodile were now the best of friends. Then monkey and crocodile become a best friend. They talked and were never tired of talking. And when the monkey and crocodile become fast friends, they talked a long time and they never tired of talking. They talked about the birds and animals, about the villages nearby and difficulties villagers faced in raising good crops for the lack of rain. And both monkey and crocodile talk about the birds of the forest and animal of the forest, and they also talked about villages nearby and the difficulties of the villagers that was faced by them, and they also talked about the difficulty of the villagers that faces to grow good crops for lack of rain. ओके स्टूडेंट, वे जो है क्रोकोडाइल और मंकी वह उस जंगल के बर्ड्स के बारे में बात करते थे, जानवरों के बारे में बात करते थे, और जो आसपास के गांव थे उन विलेजर्स की डिफ़िकल्टीज़, परेशानियों के बारे में बात करते थे कि क्यों जो विलेजर्स हैं वह रेन के बिना अच्छे क्रॉप्स को ग्रो नहीं कर पाते हैं. इसके बारे में वे दोनों बात करते थे. ओके स्टूडेंट, द क्रोकोडाइल्स वाइफ was annoyed because her husband came home late, and after some time the crocodile's wife became very angry because the crocodile come back home late at night. She didn't like his friendship with monkey, and crocodile's wife didn't like the friendship with monkey also. The crocodile could not altogether ignore his wife's wishes, and after that, when she was angry, he also uh, did not ignore his wife's wishes. वह अपने पत्नी के विशेष को भी इग्नोर नहीं कर सकता था. One day, crocodile stayed with the monkey longer than usual, and one day the crocodile and monkey, and they talked together, um, and the crocodile stayed with the monkey longer than the usual time. His wife was annoyed, waiting, managing the little crocodile that has just been hatched. And his wife, crocodile, was waiting and become very angry because she have a few little crocodiles that has just been hatched. जो छोटे छोटे क्रोकोडाइल्स थे, उसके जो बच्चे थे, वह जल्दी ही जो है अभी न्यू बॉर्न बेबी थे, वह उनको मैनेज करते हुए उसको परेशानी हो रही थी. शी सेड, हु इज़ दिस फ्रेंड ऑफ योर्स आर यू सो फंड ऑफ? एंड द wife of crocodile asked the crocodile, who is the person that you are so like. वह जो क्रोकोडाइल की वाइफ थी, क्रोकोडाइल से पूछी कि कौन ऐसा फ्रेंड है जो तुम्हारा, जिसको तुम इतना पसंद करते हो. ओह, ही इज़ वेरी नाइस मंकी, ही रिप्लाइड. देन क्रोकोडाइल रिप्लाइड, ही इज़ अ वेरी नाइस मंकी. क्रोकोडाइल बोला कि जिसे मैं पसंद करता हूँ वो बहुत अच्छा बंदर है. ही lives on a fruit tree. He sends fruit for you every day. You don't accept me to climb tree, do you? And crocodile also said that he lives on a fruit tree and he also send you some fruits every day. And do you know, I didn't climb on the tree. You don't know about it? क्रोकोडाइल अपनी वाइफ से पूछता है, क्या तुम नहीं जानती कि मैं पेड़ पर चढ़ नहीं पाता हूँ, और वह जो बंदर है वह तुम्हारे लिए रोज़ फ्रूट्स भेजता है, फल भेजता है तुम्हारे लिए, तुम्हारे खाने के लिए. अ नाइस मंकी, आई एम श्योर, रिप्लाइड द वाइफ विद द ऑब्वियस sarcasm. And the wife of crocodile also said that he was a nice monkey. I am sure. वह बोली कि मैं बिल्कुल श्योर हूँ कि वो जो मंकी है वो बहुत ही अच्छा है. इफ़ यू आस्क मी, दिस मंकी शुड बी माई फूड. आई वॉन्ट टू ईट हिज हार्ट सो मच. एंड दैट crocodile's wife said that he was very good monkey. I also know, but if you give me his heart, it was so good for me. वह क्रोकोडाइल की वाइफ उससे बोलती है कि मैं जानती हूँ कि वो बहुत अच्छा बंदर है, लेकिन अगर उसके हार्ट को जो है तुम मुझे दे दोगे तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छी बात होगी. मैं उसका हार्ट चाहती हूँ, मैं उसके हार्ट को खाना चाहती हूँ. What a foolish things to say, shouted the crocodile. And after some time, crocodile shouted, what a foolish things you talk about. तुम कितना बेवकूफ़ी वाली बात कह रही हो. I cannot kill a friend, though I wouldn't mind a monkey occasionally for a change of taste. And crocodile also said that he cannot kill his friend because he was my best friend, and uh, he also gave me some fruits. And I wouldn't mind a monkey occasionally for a change of taste. और मैं जो है मंकी को जो है कभी भी जो है टेस्ट को चेंज करने के लिए मैं उसको यहाँ पे नहीं बुला सकता. यू बोरिंग हिम हियर ऑर्डर्ड द वाइफ, एंड देन क्रोकोडाइल्स वाइफ ऑर्डर्ड हिम, यू आर बोरिंग हिम हियर. तुमको ब्रिंग हिम हियर, सॉरी, ब्रिंग हिम हियर ऑर्डर्ड हिज वाइफ. उसकी वाइफ बोली कि तुम्हें उसको यहाँ लाना ही होगा. आई वॉन्ट टू सी हिम, मैं उसे अभी देखना चाहती हूँ. सो यू कैन ईट हिम नेवर, डिक्लेयर्ड हर हस्बैंड. एंड क्रोकोडाइल सेड दैट आई ब्रिंग हिम हियर, बट यू डिक्लेयर्ड दैट यू डोंट ईट हिम. वह क्रोकोडाइल अपनी वाइफ से बोलता है कि मैं उसे लाऊंगा, लेकिन तुमको भी ये डिक्लेयर करना होगा कि तुम उसे जो है खाओगी नहीं, तुम उसको अपना भोजन नहीं बनाओगी. थैंक यू. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस लेसन. थैंक्स. हैव अ नाइस डे. थैंक्स.